How to set up your Skout profile professionally. Open the Skout, tap on profile picture or avatar in the top corner. Select edit to start customizing your account. Choose high quality profile picture. Upload a clear, well-lit photo of yourself. Avoid blurry or overlaid filters, image. Smiling or friendly photos generally get more engagement. Also use your photo where your face is clearly visible. Avoid group photos as your main picture. Add your details. Make sure your age, gender are accurate. It builds trust with other users. Scout may use this information to suggest nearby people and relevant chat runs. Inside About Me, you can explain yourself, keep it short, friendly, and interesting. Mention few hobbies, interests, or what you are looking for on Scout. Scout allows you to select interests to help match you with open-minded people. Upload 2 to 3 more pictures showing your hobbies or lifestyle. Allow Scout to access location to find people nearby. Turn on notification to never miss messages or friend request. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.